In today's video, we'll be providing you with the fuel pump shutoff switch location and reset procedures for your 2015 through 2021 Ford Expedition. The inertia switch in a Ford vehicle is a safety feature designed to shut off the fuel pump in the event of a collision or sudden impact. This helps prevent fuel from continuing to flow and reduces the risk of fire after an accident. Starting with model year 2015, Ford no longer equipped the Ford Expedition with a manually resettable fuel pump shutoff switch. 2015 through 2021 Ford Expedition vehicles still have fuel pump shutoff capabilities. The fuel pump shutoff switch can be reset by executing reset procedures. If you have a 2015 through 2017 Ford Expedition with a key start system, here are your reset procedures. Step 1. Inspect the vehicle for any leaks. If the vehicle has been in a collision, consider getting the fuel system inspected. Step 2. Turn the ignition switch to the off position. Step 3. Turn the ignition switch to the on position. Step 4. Repeat steps 2 and 3 if necessary. Ford recommends that fuel systems be inspected by an authorized dealer after any collision. If you have a 2018 through 2021 Ford Expedition with a key start system, here are your reset procedures. Step 1. Inspect the vehicle for any fuel leaks. If the vehicle has been in a collision, consider getting the fuel system inspected. Step 2. Switch off the ignition. Step 3. Switch to start position. Step 4. Switch off the ignition. Step 5. Switch on the ignition to re-enable the fuel pump. Step 6. Repeat steps 2 through 5 if necessary. Ford recommends that the fuel system be inspected by an authorized dealer after any collision. If this information has helped you out, do us a huge favor and smash that like button right now and consider subscribing. We'd really appreciate it. If you have a 2015 through 2021 Ford Expedition with a push button start system, here are your reset procedures. Step 1. Press the start-stop button to switch off the ignition. Step 2. Press the brake pedal and press the start-stop button to switch on the ignition. Step 3. Remove your foot from the brake pedal and press the start-stop button to switch off the ignition. Step 4. You can either attempt to start the engine by pressing the brake pedal and the start-stop button, or press the start-stop button without pressing the brake pedal. Both ways re-enable the fuel system. Step 5. Repeat steps 1 through 4 if necessary. Ford recommends that the fuel system be inspected by an authorized dealer after any collision. As a DIYer, when it comes to getting access to information that will assist you with servicing and maintaining your own vehicle, we recommend Mitchell 1 DIY. With Mitchell 1 DIY, you get not only access to quality in-depth wiring diagrams for your vehicle, but you also get component locations, component tests, technical bulletins, and much more. If you'd like to learn more about the service, please see the link down in the description below for more details. Once you get on the Mitchell 1 website, be sure to check out the free demo of everything that's included in your product subscription. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.